Hey everybody, this is my Glock 17. Just had a nice day at the range. Just gonna break it down real quick, do a quick clean down, and put it back away. Make sure everything's clear. Create the slide back in here. Pull down the releaser. Get the spring out. Get the barrel out. That's pretty much it. I'm not going to break down anything farther. I get a nice, fairly oily rag. Wipe everything out from the inside. Breech part, give a nice good wiping. You don't want to spray oil or put too much oil. You want your fire pit and everything freed up. Put oil in there, it'll gum it up. But you want to keep breaking it down, cleaning it all the time. I'll break it down like once a year, clean it all out. But just going to the range and having some fun. I don't put much oil on. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll spray a little bit of CLP on a rag. This rag has a lot of touch of oil on it, especially for like the breech. I'll just wipe it down. Like I say, you just don't really want much getting down into it. Even like with the safety plunger, you don't want any oil get down into there. You gum it up. And with the spring, you're not really supposed to oil it. What I do is a little CLP with a rag. Just wipe it down, get any crumbs off it, anything like that. If there's anything on it at all. And that's pretty much it. Now for the barrel, we're going to get a patch. Dip it in some cleaner solution. Run it in. So let that sit for a second. Put the patch over here real quick. Now for the just clean it off. Wipe it down with a wet, oily rag. I'm not going to break down the trigger mechanism or anything like that. Everything looks pretty clean as it is. One spot I'll put oil in. We got a connecting latch here. Trigger mechanism slides, when you pull the trigger, it slides up and back and forth this way. Got points sticking up here, you got this point going down. You want a little bit of oil right at those points. Not much, just a little bit. Try to get underneath there a little bit. Let's say it slides. Make sure everything's nice and freed up. This side. The barrel wipe. Push a brush through it. The chamber side first. Slide it through. Don't pull it back. I take it off. Do it one more time. Just slide it through. And then I do one more dip of the cleaner solution. It's time for the clean patches. Give it a little twist while I'm pushing it in. You take it off. Put another clean patch on. You don't want to pull the dirty patches back through. Give it a little twist. And one more. That should be good. And make sure my feeder ramp and all that's nice and clean. Entrance to my chamber. Nice little wipe with a clean patch. And the barrel, you have a lot of metal slide on your slide. So I put a little bit of grease and coat the whole barrel. Not too much, just a little bit. You already see like the wear and tear on the metal. I like to put it on the lugs. A little bit of grease. Don't have to go crazy on it, just a little bit. I actually do also the side of the chamber. A little bit on the top. That's your barrel. Now I like to put, you can actually see where it wears. There's a lot of wear right here. So put a little bit of grease right on top. Mash it down a little bit. Do a little slide down, but I'm able to keep it up there because the action of the barrel hitting it, you slide it down. It'll migrate it, put it where it wants to go. That's pretty much it. A little bit on the rails. Not too much. I also do where the rails slide on here. A little drop grease. And put everything back together. Barrel slides in. Spring in. Slide it on. Wipe the excess off. And you're good to go. There's a quick cleaning of my Glock 17. It's a Gen 5. Put a Streamlight TLR 8. This is actually a green AG. Is the green one. They got a red dot one. This is the green one. It's a nice little flashlight. Has a little green. I pick up green better than red dots. It's your preference, though. Well, that's that. Clean your magazines off. I just wipe the follower down real quick. Maybe once a year I'll break them down, but I don't do much to them. Well, that's a quick clean down of my Glock 17 after a good day at the range. Thanks for watching.